Jai Hind students, welcome to the question answer session for the chapter The Little Girl. I hope you have watched the previous video. You have read the story thoroughly from the PDF which I have provided. And now let us sit down with a notebook and pen, uh, preferably blue fountain ink, and you may write down the question answers in your own words. You can take the help of these sample answers that I have provided. You may copy it if you want, or it would be better if you write it in your own words. So, the first question: how did Kezia make a pin cushion for her father? Remember the pin cushion that Kezia had made for her father because it was his birthday, right? So, Kezia's grandmother advised her to make a pincushion for her father on his birthday. Yes, she made it out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk cloth. Silk cloth. She wanted something to fill it with. Obviously, the cushion needs cushioning inside. She found some sheets of paper lying on the bedside table. There were some sheets of paper which were actually her father's speech, and she tore them up and filled it in the pin cushion. That was how she made the pin cushion, and then she stitched it up. In what ways did did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? So grandparents have a very important role in the development of a child, and I hope that you also spend time with your grandparents and you learn from them because they teach, they are also teachers. So grandmother, how did she encourage Kezia to be confident enough to get to know her father? On Sunday afternoons, so usually on Sunday is a holiday, father used to be at home. So on Sunday afternoons, Kezia's grandmother sent her to her father's room to have a nice talk with him. So that was what was the routine. Besides, she asked her to make a gift of a pin cushion on her father's birthday so that the child will be more familiar with her father. That was the way how grandmother used to encourage Kezia to get to know her father better. Next question. Why was Kezia's father to be feared and avoided? What did she think of him? So, Kezia's, what was the mental psychology of Kezia towards her father? Why did she fear and wanted to avoid her father? Why? For Kezia, her father was a figure to be feared. She was feared of her father and avoided. No doubt Kezia responded his casual kiss with goodbye, father. Whenever father used to kiss her before going to work, she used to say goodbye, father. However, she felt relieved instead of sad when her father disappeared along the road. In the evening, he would ask in his loud voice to bring his tea and paper into the drawing room. She felt very uncomfortable in his presence because little girls, small girls, are usually meek and docile. Not all of them, some are. So, in this case, Kezia also was very uncomfortable in his presence because, and she used to also stutter, ta 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 ta, ta all that. She couldn't speak properly, confidently in the presence of her father because she was scared of him. Let us move on to the next question. Why give in brief the message of the story The Little Girl. What is the message that the author wants to convey from the little girl? Appearances can be deceptive. There is a quote: do not judge a book by its cover. Don't think because the poster of a movie is nice, it has to be nice. No. Appearances can be deceptive. All that shines is not gold, all that glitters is not gold. So, similarly, that is the message. Kezia's father looked like a cruel giant to her. She trembled and stuttered in his presence. His harsh words made her curse her fate. Oh, I wish I had a different father, she used to feel. However, she later on found that her father was not devoid of tender human feelings because he also loved his daughter. Beneath his rough exterior was his hidden deep love and affection for his daughter. He was like a coconut, rough from the outer, but soft and full of the milk of human kindness inside. And she came to know that he cared and loved for her because he was there by her side when she needed him. The love and affection of a father she could feel when her mother and grandmother had gone to the hospital because her mother was ill. Remember, I had explained. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? So, although her motive was to please her father, but she ended up displeasing him. How did this happen? Because you remember the pincushion incident. Let us see. She stitched cotton cloth, silk cloth, three sides and looked for things that could be stuffed into the stitched cloth because she was making a beautiful pincushion for her father's birthday on advice of grandmother, her grandmother. Soon she found out many sheets of paper by her father's bedroom bedside table. And actually, those papers contained her father's speech for the Port Authority where he used to work. And it was a very important day for him. She tore them into pieces and stuffed her case. Next day, when her father looked for the papers, he did not find them. Where was it? He did not find them, and this got him very angry. He, he searched all around the house. He called all the servants, and at last, they came to know that it was Kezia's fault. She had tore it up. Obviously, he got furious. He sent her to her room, and then he went and he gave her nicely good beating. Has this also happened with you? Yeah, we all have, right? Sometimes if we break stuff, even me, I've got beating from my mother many years back. Okay, so yeah, these things happen, but we should not uh, take it in the negative way. It is an important part of discipline. Then only we will know what is right and wrong with a bit of reward and punishment. Let us move on to the next. Okay, so students, we have finished today's lesson. I hope you have understood, and if you have understood the lesson, please like, or if you have any doubts, please comment below. I would love to answer your queries. And and please keep your work up to date with all the chapters. Remember, although we are having lockdown, uh, uh, as soon as it reopens you will be having examinations. So and definitely if you have any doubt, please ask us, all the teachers, you have all the numbers, and we are happy to help. Jai Hind and God bless you all.